Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to try one last filter before I move into um, the other part of the Bank Focus database. And what we will try to do is filter out our sample firms based on their listing in a specific index. For example, if you are looking for FTSE 100 listed firms or 250 or S&P index, I'll try to go and see how we can just filter out only those firms instead of like 3 millions firms that you by default are going to get in Bank Focus. But before I proceed, if you're watching this video and you need something very specific that I have not yet covered, just drop some text in the chat box so that I know, and I'll try my best to find out and develop a video on this one. Okay, so what we are going to do here again, we are going to come back to the main search page. As you see here, we are still in the search area and we are going to click on stock data. And here on your right, you will see that you have indexes. You can go for stock exchange, but it's going to ask you to select a different exchange. We are not looking for that. If you're looking for a specific country stock exchange, you can. For example, you have the Bursa Malaysia, Canadian Stock Exchange, Nasdaq should be here. As you can see, Nasdaq Dubai, Capital Market, everything is here. But I'm looking for indexes that is more generic. For example, I'm looking at in UK, we refer to FTSE 100, 250, 300 index. So you can find all of these here. All different types of FTSE indexes are here. So you can just choose whichever index you are looking for. The most common type of index that we use is 100, 250, or 350. Or if you're looking for S&P or Nasdaq 100 or Nasdaq Composite, or as I mentioned over here, S&P 100, 500, all of these are going to be available over here. So if we click on very simply S&P 100, and the filter will work and this button will become blue. You click OK and you can see Bank Focus is currently showing 63 companies listed under S&P 100 index. If you go to show results, and these are all the companies, and you remember that some companies are going to appear more than once because Bank Focus provide the data based on their consolidation type, as you can see in this column. Um, so that's it. If you are looking for companies listed in a specific index, and you can just go through the index function there, you can choose S&P, and remember the shortcut, you can just go back to this filter as many times as you want by just clicking here, and you can choose some other index. For example, let me just put FTSE 100, and you can add on. If you click, you can add on. That means you can select both S&P and FTSE. If I click OK, so it will give you instead of 63, you have now 96 companies. Some of these companies are listed in both indexes. And here you go. Here you have 93 firms. So in the next video, we will try to see that when you are looking at this window, you can just see some default columns. But what we are trying to do is we are going to add on more data because these are not going to work if you are trying to do some sort of data analysis and you need different types of financial information. So by default, you will see these. For example, you have some company name, flag, country, ISO code, then some other codes, consolidation codes. Last available year is 2023. They have not yet included 2024 now, maybe in few months. Then you have the total asset in USD, number of employees. Uh, these are the default. So what do you need to do if you want to add on? You just need to use this add remove column. So we'll come back to this function in our next video. So have a nice day. Bye.